Yes. Okay, students. So now today, the same the MIT App Inventor, using the MIT App Inventor, we are going to develop many apps. Okay. So the first thing in this session, we are going to see the components called image, how to use an image and a notifier and text to speech. So these are some components in App Inventor. Okay. So image, you know it, right? When you see in app, you know, an image will be showing, right? So that is an image. Okay. And on notifier is nothing but, you know, so when you see your app, you know, or some pop-up message will be shown, right? Suppose when it's time to shut down your computer, one notifier will be showing, right? Or your battery is very low, one message will be showing, right? So that is called the notifier, the alert message. Okay. There is a
Yes, for messages also will.
yes, Krishna Aditya.
For messages also notifications will come.
Yeah. That is a notifier. So only one by one students are joining. Okay, fine. And the text to speech. The text to speech is a component, is nothing but, you know, your text will be converted into the voice. Okay, when you are typing any text, okay, the text will be converted into voice. Okay. Hi, Shreyashi.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I joined late, sir, because sir did not actually accept my request to that voice app wala thing, sir.
Okay, fine. So just now we started the session, okay? And everyone turn on your camera if possible, okay? So then it will be good. So yes, students. So we are going to see these three components: an image, notifier, and text to speech. Okay. So first, what's the app we are going to develop today is uh, Vegetable, My Vegetable app. Okay, it's a learning app for kids to learn about the vegetable names. Okay, so it's very basic app. Okay, so what we are going to make is we are going to make some list of vegetable images. Okay, so the task is when any vegetable image is clicked, that name should be read. Okay, that name should be read out using the text to speech, and the name should be notified, or the name should be visible using the notifier. Okay, this is the task for this app. Okay, the simple app, the app name is My Vegetable. Okay, so let me show you the design, the sample design. So this is the sample design we are going to make. Okay, first in top of it I should give some heading, right? So then only the user can understand what is this app about, right? So the heading I'm going to give as My Vegetables, and here I'm going to add some vegetable images. Okay, so let's start, students. Yeah, so I hope everyone knows how to enter into the MIT App Inventor, right? So maybe I'm telling you once again.
Yes, sir. MIT app inventors in that new app.
Yeah. So just go to Google and search it as MIT App Inventor, and just enter into this first website, appinventor.mit.edu. Just enter into this first website. Then the create apps button will be there. So you just click that create apps button. Okay. And so first time if you are entering means it will ask you to accept the terms and condition, and it will ask a Gmail account to log in. So you just enter your active Gmail account. Always use the same Gmail account. Okay. So in that mail account only, you know, all your projects will be saved. Okay. And
Yes,
then,
sir.
yeah, and then in the left corner you can see start new project. So select the start new project and give the project name as My Vegetables.
Yes, sir. I was also typing. So space we are not allowed to put, sir,
Yeah.
in
It
that
will not.
that
Yeah,
thing.
yeah. It will not allow space or any other different character. You should give underscore. It's a project name. Okay, don't worry about it. The app name is different. The project name is different. See, the app name you can change here. You know, anytime I can change. Suppose I want you to give space means you can here you can give the space. Okay, anytime you can change the app name. This app name only will be shown in your mobile. but the project name you can't change. The project name is for, that will be stored in your account in your iMIT App Inventor. Okay. So now everyone got the screen, right? I hope.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What about
Yes, sir.
docs? Docs, I didn't get any response from you. If you can't say anything, just send message. Yes, docs, do you got the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Is it possible to turn on your camera? Please turn on your camera.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So now students, see here. Okay. Shreyashi and Aditya, just send your mail ID in chat box. And
Okay,
docs,
sir. 1 second, sir.
yeah, and docs, send your mail ID in
Sir,
chat box.
I'm not able to on my video.
You can't able to turn on your video. Now accept it.
Sir, our mail ID is only right,
Sir,
sir.
I have accepted it. It is still not on the video.
Oh, it's still not. Okay, fine. Maybe there is an
So
issue.
we have to put our mail IDs.
Yeah. Send your mail ID in chat box.
Sir, I gave it in everyone part, so not to you personally, sir, mistakenly.
Okay. Switch on.
Sir, I sent, sir.
Yes. Switch on. Okay, Shreyashi, check your mail. I sent you the files, some of the files required for developing the apps. Okay. Yes, Daksh, now I can see you. And Daksh, you can also send your mail ID in chat box.
Yes, sir, I'm sending.
Yeah.
Sir, that whatever file it is should be downloaded.
Yeah, you can download it afterwards. Now you can download under the folder of My Vegetables. Okay, if you open that grade 1 file, some folders will be there. You can download the files inside the My Vegetables. Okay, so everyone start downloading it.
Your mind completed, sir, Krishnaditya.
Yes.
Mine completed, sir.
Mine completed. You downloaded everything. Okay, fine. 911.
Sir, as per for coding, sir, we are in first grade only, right, sir?
Yeah. We are in first grade. Yes. It's like level 1.
Sir, when we will
Yes,
go to 8th grade?
Yes, Krishnaditya. When will we?
When will we go to 8th grade?
Next grade. It will take some time. We have to develop, more than 12 apps, 12 to 15 apps we have to develop. Okay. So yes, and Aditya is sent you files. You can check it in your mail. Okay. And Daksh, I didn't receive your mail ID. Send your mail ID.
Yes, sir, I'm sending it.
Yeah. Okay, so students, everyone, download all those folders. Okay, so you just make one folder in your computer under the name of coding course. Okay, in that download all the files. Okay, as a folder wise. Okay, that will be easy for you to add some files to the apps. Hi, Sai Akshit, right? Sai Akshit, can you hear me?
Sir, which one I have to download, sir? My vegetable.
Yeah, my vegetable. First download my vegetable. Okay. Afterwards, if you have time, you can better download everything.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now it's my vegetable is enough.
So right now, I guess we don't need to download that actually, sir, because that's already in our drive, sir.
It's already in your drive, but if you want to add it means to this app in
Yes, sir. When we need to add it in that, so that time we can download it, sir. It will be stayed forever in that
yeah, it will,
drive, sir.
yeah, it will be saved. Okay, but sometimes you may miss, right? So that's why I'm asking you to download initially under the coding folder. Okay, and maybe some files also I will send in between. Okay, so you can add those files in that folder, right? Okay, Daksh, I sent you the files. Okay, you can check your mail. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay, now see students. Now we can start designing the My Vegetable app. Okay. So see, what's the design? First, I have to give this heading as My Vegetable. Okay. Before that, I will tell you some screen properties. Okay. In screen properties, you can add your icon image. Okay. Icon image is nothing but see, this is the icon image for WhatsApp, right? If you install mobile, this will be the icon image for WhatsApp, and for Zoom this will be the icon image, right? Likewise, if you install any app, you know that front image, so that is the icon image. Okay, so if you are not giving any icon image, it will be like, you know, some unknown, some random thing will be there. Okay, so how to upload that icon image for your app means, you just see here, just scroll down. Here there is a property icon image, so here icon will be there. Okay, here you have to upload that icon image. Okay, so you can I can upload any random, you can upload any images related to vegetables. Okay, so actually, so these are the folders I have sent you. Okay, so that will be helpful for you for adding the files. So under the folder My Vegetable, so these are the images will be there. So you just simply upload the My Vegetable icon image. Okay, so you just open and okay, so that, you know, for this app the icon image will be uploaded.
Sir, I'll have to off my video just for a minute.
Yes, Daksh. Okay, so now I have uploaded the icon image. Okay, and then if you want to upload any background image, okay, if you want to upload any, and one more thing I told you in the workshop itself. Okay, if you have any new idea of workshop, so the, you know, the design what I'm showing is just a sample design. Okay, so if you have any new idea, you can add those in your design. Okay, I won't disagree with you. Okay, you can add any designs you want. Okay, so always do creatively. Okay, so now see students, so the background image, if you want to add any background image to the screen, you can add any background images through this here. Okay, so now see, now coming to our design, what's the first thing? My Vegetable. I have to give the heading as My Vegetable. Okay, can anyone tell me how to give this heading? Which component I can use to give this heading?
Label.
Yes.
Label, sir.
Sir, labels sir, we have to use.
Label, exactly, very good. So we should add one label component, right? So label, you can take this here from this label. I think a new student have joined. Okay, Sai Akshit, can you hear me? I didn't get any response from you. Okay, I added one label here. Okay, and now the property for this label, I'm just increasing the font size to 25 and
Sir, where did you actually put that vegetable icon wala thingy, sir?
yeah, vegetable icon, it's in screen property. So just click screen one, just scroll down. Okay, here there is a icon, there's a property called icon there, right? So in that icon you have to upload your icon image, okay, which you want to show. Okay, so now that heading, the label I want to choose, so I'm giving the font size as 25 and height I'm going to give it as 10% or 15%. I'm going to give 15%. And the width, I'm going to choose fill parent. So fill parent is nothing but the total unoccupied space. Okay, fill parent means all the unoccupied space will be occupied. Okay, so if you click fill parent and click OK, so entire space will be occupied. Okay, and what's the text I want to give here? Anyone? What's the text I have to give here?
Sir, my vegetable.
My vegetables.
My
Yes.
vegetables.
Yeah. So I'm giving the heading as my vegetables. Okay. And I want the text to be in center. So just click text alignment and make it as center. Okay. And maybe height is quite, so I'm just increasing the font size to 35. So that will be fine for me. Okay. And I can give any background color want. So I'm giving the background color to be green. Okay. Okay. So now the heading will be shown like this. Okay. So everyone start doing this, add this label now and set the properties. Font size you can increase how much you want, and height, and with height I'm giving as 10 and width as fill parent. Okay. And text alignment as center. Okay. So do it now. Anyone have done? You just send a thumbs up.
Sir, can you tell me what is the font size you gave, sir?
Font size I choose 35. I given 35. Okay. Yes,
Okay.
Krishna.
Sir, once can you again tell sir what things you gave, sir?
Yeah, height I have given the height as 10% and width as fill parent. Okay. Done, everyone done, right? If you want completed, you just give thumbs up in chat box. Yes, Krishna Vidya completed. Yes, Pranav done. Sai Akshit, can you hear me? Just send message in chat box. If you can't tell something, just send message in chat box. I didn't get any response from you. Okay, Daksh done, Shreyashi done. Okay. Now, yes, Aditya completed, right? Okay, now listen, students. So the next step, see, I have to add these images, right? So how to add these images, and I'm going to give some arrangement, the table arrangements. Okay, so I'm going to give the table arrangement here because I have to arrange it properly. Okay, so previously in the Peon app we have used the horizontal arrangement, right? So horizontally, if you want to place it, you can use horizontal arrangement, and if you want to arrange it in like the table means, so you have to use the table arrangement. Okay, so I'm going to add one table arrangement. Okay, now I'm going to set the property for this table arrangement. Okay, so you know the rows and columns in tables, right? Anyone? Rows and columns in table.
Yes, sir. Rows and columns,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. So for doing this here, how many rows I should need and how many columns I need?
Sir,
Other
we need
app
3
website.
rows and 2 columns.
Yes, Pranav, you said something. It's not an app, it's a website. Which one?
So one person, Sir Aditya, I guess, is telling that he thinks that it is an app, sir, which he needs to download.
Okay, okay, okay. I did not download the app, so I cannot do what you told, Aditya. You cannot download the app. I didn't ask you to download any app, Aditya. I asked you to enter it.
Sir, not app, sir. The
The
website
files,
you told. Yes, sir.
the files you are telling from through that mail.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Why?
you said it to do later, right, sir?
Okay, okay. You download it later. Okay. If you didn't get this file, you can also download any images from Google also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no issues. But you added
Sir, you told to do later, so that's it.
okay, means all the other images I told you to download afterwards. Okay, other folders. Now you can add these images. Okay, or else you can download. If you can't download from the Gmail, that Google Drive, you can download it from the Google also. Any images, any vegetable images, you can add it. Okay, Aditya.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now, did you added this heading, my vegetables heading?
Yes, sir.
Yes, fine. So, okay, now see students. So how many rows should I need here? 3 rows. Okay, right. Rows is nothing but, the horizontal, right? So first row, second row, third row. So I should add 3 rows and 2 columns for this table, right? So I'm going to give the rows as 3 and columns as 2. Okay, and height and width. So I'm going to give entire. So fill parent, I told this fill parent is nothing but all the unoccupied space will be occupied. Okay, so if I'm giving fill parent, the entire height and the entire width will be occupied. Okay, height and width, fill parent, fill parent. Okay, so now okay, maybe now I'm going to add the images. Okay, so just take one image. If you add one image, it will show you the blue color grid lines. Okay, so just add that image inside that grid lines. Okay, so the first image, second image, third one, you can see the blue color box, right? Inside the blue color box only you have to add third one, fourth one, fifth and sixth. Okay, don't do it, first listen. Okay, now I added 6 images. Okay, now I have to set the property for these images. Okay, so can anyone tell me how much height I can give for each image to occupy the effective space? How much height I can
Sir,
give
height
for
you can give it as 50.
50?
Hmm. Or
See,
30.
three, yes, 3 images. See,
Sir,
yeah, 3 images I have to add. Okay, vertically 3 images are there. Okay, vertically how much space is there? So 10% I given for this label. So balance 90% is for this table arrangement, right? Height. So for out of this
then
90,
30%,
yeah,
sir.
yeah, exactly. So I have to give 30, 30, 30 for each image, the height. Okay, and with how much width I can give? For each image, how much width I can give?
50, sir.
Yes, 50 exactly. So, and the property for this image, I'm going to choose it as clickable. Okay, clickable means then only it will work. Okay, if you did not make it as clickable, that image will be just shown as a visible, I mean display image. Okay, so I'm just going to make it as clickable, and height I'm going to make it as 30%. So give 30% height and width 50%. Okay, and in the same way do the same for all the images. Make it as clickable, height 30 and width 50. Third one, clickable 30 and 50.
Sir, done, sir. I did it with all of them fatafat.
You did not follow. Okay. Now you have to upload the images inside this image component. You should upload the images. So just click image one and go to picture. Okay, go to picture and upload file. Choose file, and here you have to upload your first image carrot. So I'm selecting carrot and click OK. Okay, it will take some time to load. You have to wait for it. Okay. It's loading. Yeah, now the carrot image is uploaded. Okay, the same way, upload all the images in the respective image component. Okay, so now everyone start doing it, and those who completed, send thumbs up. If you have any doubts, ask me the properties or any related. If you have any issues, so first time if you are doing, definitely some issue may arise. Okay, so just ask me, I will help you.
Done, sir. I added them also.
You added all the images. Okay, sure. Cool. And rename everything, Shreyas. The images, no, just click it and rename it as carrot, image carrot, like that. Rename everything. Okay.
Okay. Renaming also done, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Aditya, you are doing right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, only 6 students joined, sir, out of 10 or 15, whatever.
Yes, yes. Yes, Pranav done. Yes, good. And I'm waiting for Krishna Aditya and Aditya.
Sir, done, sir.
Done. Krishna Aditya done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now see students. So now we have completed the design. Okay. So now and one more thing. What is the additional component we have to add is, I told you, the text to speech. Okay. So you just go to media. Okay. And take this text to speech. Okay. And the notifier shown you. So just go to user interface. There is a component called notifier. Okay. So these two non-visible components you have to add. Okay, the text to speech and a notifier. Okay, now see here, just go to, how to go to the blocks, right? So top right corner, just go to blocks. Okay, so now what is the task when image caret is clicked? So just click caret and take this first command. When image caret is clicked, when caret image is clicked, what should happen? First, the notifier should show the message as caret. Okay, it should show the caret name. Okay, I mean the text caret. Okay, so just how to display that text means there is a command called show alert. Okay, this show alert is a alert message that will be shown. Okay, so just take that call show alert message, and in this notice you have to show the message. Okay, so just go to text and take this empty text. Okay, and here just show the message, I mean type the message as carrots. Okay, so I'm typing it as carrot. Okay, so that the carrot text will be shown when the image is clicked. Okay, then I also read out the name, right, using the text to speech. Okay, just click this text to speech and take this command call text to speech to speak. Okay, take this command, and here I have to type the message. I have to type the message which it should speak. Okay, so again I'm going to text and take this command, and here I'm going to write it as it's carrot, so that its caret will be read out when the image caret is clicked. Okay, so in the same way,
So once again, can you tell, sir? I'm not understanding.
yeah, once again I'm repeating. I'm going to do it for the second image. Okay, listen properly. So click image cucumber. Okay, the second cucumber. So I'm going to take this first command. When image cucumber is clicked, then what should happen? The notifier should show the message as cucumber. Okay, means the cucumber name should be shown. The cucumber name should be shown, and it should be read out using the text to speech. Okay, that's what I'm going to do now. So just go to notifier and take call notifier to show alert. Just scroll down. Okay, just notifier, and make sure these two components should be added in the designer. Okay, then only you can see here. Okay, so notifier, and just scroll down and take this call notifier to show alert. Okay, this show alert command you should use. And in the message, so how to add this message means just scroll up and click text. Okay, click text and take the first command. The first command is the empty text. Okay, so just take that empty text and add it over here, and here I'm going to type the message. So what's the text I want to show? The cucumber name, right? So I'm going to type it as cucumber, so that the cucumber name will be shown. Okay, and I'm going to call the text to speech. So just go to text to speech and call text to speech, and here the message which I want to say, I want to read is nothing but I'm going to say it as it's cucumber. When that image is clicked, it's cucumber will be read out. Understand everyone now? Understand, right, Shayashi?
No, sir, I did not understand, sir. Once again, will you tell for me, sir?
Why you're not, you don't know where you have to take the commands, right?
Sir, that orange thing, so that orange box I got is the orange block. After that, the purple block I'm not getting, sir.
Just scroll down, just scroll down. Can you just have to add this notifier one? Click this notifier one.
Sir, I don't have any notifier one thingy, sir.
Means you did not add notifier in the designer. So I told you, no, in your designer you should add this notifier. So just in the user interface, add the component called notifier. Okay, add one notifier.
Sir, and where is text to speech, sir?
Text to speech will be in media. Click media and take this
Okay.
text to speech. Okay, then only you can find the blocks in the programming area. Okay, so now you just do it, and everyone do it. If you have completed, send edit for all 6. Okay, Pranav, good. When cabbage is clicked,
Sir, you're in mute, sir. We can't hear you.
yes. I just had a call. Okay. So others, if you have completed, send message in chat box. And Pranav, you can check the output. You know how to check the output, right, Pranav? I can't hear you. You know how to? Do you remember how to check the output? Take your mobile and install that app, MIT AI2 Companion. Okay, then open that app and click scan QR code. Yeah, I will tell you once again how to check it. So first, take your mobile and go to Google Store. Okay, go to Google Play Store and search it as MIT AI2 Companion. You have to install one app. Okay, The app name is MIT AI2 Companion. I will send message in chat box. Okay, MIT AI2 Companion. Install that app in your mobile. Okay, yes. After that, open that app and click scan QR code. Okay, click scan QR code, and in your system, go to connect and click AI Companion. Okay, go to connect AI Companion. One QR code will be shown. You have to scan this QR code using your mobile. Okay, so do it now. Yes, you got the output, Pranav. Is everything is working? You have to check each and every image. Okay, each and every image you have to check it, and it's loading. Okay, okay, Pranav. It works. Okay, good, Pranav. So check everything. It works properly. Okay. And others, anyone completed these blocks? If you completed the blocks, tell me.
Sir, I did.
Did. Okay. Now you can check the output, Aditya. So how to check the output? I told you, So first you have to install that app in your mobile. Go to Google Play Store and install MIT AI2 Companion. Okay. So that you have to install it in your mobile and open that app and click scan QR code. Then you have to go to connect and click this AI Companion. So the QR code will be shown. You have to scan this QR code using your mobile. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Do it now. So everyone try to get the output. And for Pranav, I will give you one exercise. Okay, just note down this exercise, Pranav. Okay, so this is one task based on this app. Okay, so just understand the question.
Yes, sir, I got it.
You understand, right? So
Yes.
it's an app. Okay, it's like introduce yourself. Okay, so it's a self intro. So if you know your image and your information should be read out when you click any image or button. Okay, so you can bring your own idea here. Okay, so this is one exercise. Try to complete it. Okay, so now you can start doing
Okay,
this
sir.
Sir,
exercise.
something is not happening. So I'm clicking the image, nothing is happening.
Nothing is happening. Make sure, see, Sreyashi, make sure the images are clickable in the designer. Okay, the images in the designer, make sure all the images are clickable here like this. Okay. Others, anyone? What about Aditya? Got the output, Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Do you check it, Aditya? Do you got the output?
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, let I'm still doing, sir.
Yes. What happened?
Sir, I'm still doing, sir.
Okay. Now, Shreyashi, do you got the output? Now it's working, right? Everything?
Yes, sir.
Yes, fine. And you can also.
Sir, in one place, instead of cucumber, sir, I typed the spelling as cucumber, sir. The same thing they told, sir.
Yeah, what you are doing, that only will come. Okay. And Shreyashi, you can also note down this exercise. Okay. You can take a picture of this exercise. Okay. Read and understand the task.
Sir, done, sir.
Done. Okay. And now, Aditya, is it working? Everything properly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So did you check the everything? Each and every concepts? I mean, every image?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Fine, Aditya. So students, you can note down this exercise. Okay, try to understand the questions first. It's a my intro app, your self intro app with your image and some of the information about yourself. What are your favorite things like that? You can add it in this app. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Sayakshit. Okay, students, so I'm giving you this as home exercise. Okay, so if you have time, you can do it. Okay, or else we will do this exercise in the next class. Okay, students.
Okay, sir.
Did everyone
Okay,
understand
sir.
this question, right? Everyone got this question, right?
Yes.
What's the task?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So try to complete it and make sure it should be attractive. Okay, don't simply do it. Okay, add some new elements, make it so attractive. Okay, so then it will looks nice. And also those who got the output, you can send the record. I mean, just record it and send it in the group. Okay, we are having the group, right? Coding group. The group you can send it. Okay. Okay, students.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now I am ending the session, students. Okay, we'll see you on next week.